Welcome to the Dunlop System Selector. The System Selector is one of many helpful digital tools to assist you in completing your project. The System Selector allows you to create a complete product system for your project. Let's get started. Choose whether your project is a residential or commercial project. Choose if your project is internal or external. Select your project. Is it a wall or floor application? Select Create System to generate your complete product system. To change the substrate or surface for your project, select the spinning icon. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is the complete product list for your project. In many instances, you may see alternative products. There is useful information located on the information eye icons. Now you can create and generate a PDF of your system with or without the product quantities. If you want to create another system, click back to start again. In a few easy steps, you can create a complete Dunlop product system for your project.